ਸੋ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਥ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸੋਨੀ ਜੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਬਰਨਬੀ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਟੈਂਪਲ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਹਨ। ਅਤੇ ਬਰਨਬੀ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਟੈਂਪਲ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਇਮਾਰਤ ਬਣਾ ਰਿਹਾ, ਜਿਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਫੰਡ ਰੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਸੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ ਕੁਝ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸੋਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸਰ।
Thank you.
Thank you. So if you could tell us a little bit about the Burnaby Hindu Temple, when was the idea conceived to have a temple over there, and what all has been done so far in this temple?
Well, after we bought the existing temples over 42 years ago or so, this building was old and still is old, and we were running out of capacity. And at that time there were few temples, and so we thought the idea was conceived many years ago.
Right.
But it started taking momentum just about 3 years ago or so.
Right.
2.5 years ago, and now the temple is just over half. In fact, almost 3/4 complete now.
Right.
And the roof is on. The plumbing and the electrical work should start in the next couple of weeks or so. And we started this campaign about 2.5 years ago when we started building the temple. We got
Right.
the plans approved about 10 years ago, but we started about 2.5 years ago. So, and we have so far raised our target, initial target, I should use the word. We had some money of our own, and the land is also paid for.
Right.
So we had initial target of $1 million
Okay.
to collect for this campaign, and we have raised just over $832,000.
Right.
And we are not very much far from our
Goal.
target. But if you need be, because expenses are always more
Right.
than estimated, if you need, we will continue working and try to get more money for the new temple.
Right. So, Mr. Soni, as you said, the Hindu population is increasing, and for that, to cater to the needs of the religious needs of the Hindus, this temple was started earlier.
Yes.
So now, as more and more people are coming, so that's why the expansion is being done.
Exactly.
So basically, what kind of activities have been performed in this temple, and how the religious needs of the people have been fulfilled?
I think we've got two kinds of activities. One is the religious, the other is the community.
Right.
In the religious, we mostly leave it to our priests,
Right.
They are the one who look after those things. As far as the community services are concerned, like picnic, annual picnic, where both Hindus and Sikhs, both
Right.
they come down there. We also had bus tours, annual bus tours, which will take them sometime to Whistler, sometimes
Right.
mostly toward the seniors, catering
Right.
to seniors. We also got the Hindi classes, which have been going on for the last almost 40 years.
Okay.
And some of those children who have grown up now, we are targeting them now
To come and teach.
to come and see the progress
Right.
and join us in our
Right.
efforts.
Okay. Well, that's wonderful. So, as you said, that it's a combination of religious as well as community issues which are being dealt with in the temple. As you talked about the youngsters also, so apart from the Hindi classes, are some initiatives taken to involve the youth also?
Yes, we are involving them. For example, we have annual Diwali show, which is, I think, quite popular for the last 40 years or so.
Right.
And lots of youngsters take part in that, even the mature people too. you
Right.
know. And in that show, the children are able to show their talents,
Right.
And in addition, we want to make sure that when we got enough funds available, we raise enough food or something else for the homeless people, in society in general as
Right.
a whole.
Right.
And we like that idea.
And that's wonderful. So, while you're talking about this temple expansion, could you elaborate a little bit on that as to what difference will it now be after the temple is completed?
Okay. The new temple will be 31,000 square feet
Wow.
when completed. And according to our views, it will be one of the largest temples in North America,
Okay.
and that's why taking a little bit of time too. The temple is divided into 2.5 stories.
Okay.
In other words, 2 full stories and 1 mezzanine,
Right.
just like a theater,
Right.
And we have designated some of the area of the temple into the religious functions.
Right.
That's the main prayer hall.
Right.
Okay, there you have to take the shoes off,
Right.
everything, you know, the way their
Follow the
traditional
religious
values are
decorum.
there.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So you do your prayer fine.
Mm-hmm.
The 1.5 story is part of the community center.
Okay.
For example, the dining room, the classrooms,
Mm-hmm.
and the priest, you know, activity room, multi-purpose room,
Right.
and the mezzanine. We have it's a new idea that basically there'll be auditorium there,
Okay.
just like a theater, you know.
Right.
And this theater can also be used as a wedding hall as well.
Okay.
So in other words, you can put your suit like this one, shoes like this one. This has nothing to do with the religious side. you know.
Right.
You can go in like you go into Pan Pacific Hotel, you know,
Right.
go and attend the function, and then you go and attend their reception,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Wedding and then different.
Right.
Same way, there'll be 325 chairs seated like a theater, you know,
Right.
and with a stage on and with a cloakroom for change rooms, you know.
Okay.
And the priest will perform the wedding there. Next to that, when the wedding is finished or over or during the wedding or before the wedding, there is a foyer there, you know, about 10 feet wide or so, quite long,
Right.
where you can have your tea, coffee, snacks. No alcohol is allowed,
Right.
and no meat is allowed. And so this we thought is appealing to the young people quite a bit. You know. In
Right.
fact, there are so many people, they have been phoning us, please let us know when the auditorium or the wedding hall is going to be
It's going to be
complete.
open. Right.
So, but I hopefully, it's our estimate, we don't guarantee it, but before the end of the year, we hope to complete the whole temple.
Wonderful. So as you have said, it is going to be not just be used for religious purposes only, but the social needs
Cultural,
of the
social,
people will be met in this. So till now, at what percentage, if we may say, the work has been completed?
I should say about 65 to 75%
Right.
is completed.
Right.
The roof is done.
Okay,
basically.
right, like you said. So, Mr. Soni, it's not just an expansion of the old temple, is it?
No, no,
just
it's a
from
brand
the-
new temple.
Okay,
It's
so
a
it's
brand
not,
new
the
temple.
old temple is still there?
It's still there,
Okay.
and we'll sell it when this one is ready.
Okay, so it's not a part of this area, it's a
No,
separate
no, no,
part.
no. This is our existing temple is in North Burnby
Okay.
on Albert Street.
Right.
While the new temple which we are constructing is on Marine Drive
Okay.
near Hare Krishna Temple. you know.
Okay, right. So now for this, now you're asking the people to come forward and donate funds for
Yeah,
this,
whatever
for
they
this
can.
noble cause. So if anybody wants to be a part of this, where can they contact and what, any website or any phone number where they can call you?
We have a website there, and it's www.Hindu Temple Burnby.
Right.
So they can open it up and get all the information. There are some newsletters too there.
Okay,
And there is also telephone 264-299-5922.
Right.
They can contact. And there is a board of directors list there too.
Right.
There's a fundraising people's name there too.
Right.
And the people who have donated the money so far,
okay, their names are also.
their names are also there, how much amount is there, they
Right.
can open up. Yeah.
Right. And finally, anything further you would like to tell us about this fundraising drive, what you have initiated? Are there going to be any fundraising events or anything which you are holding?
For the time being, no, because I think people can see it, that the temple is coming up.
Right.
I will urge all the people to go to 5420 Marine Drive
Right.
and see the construction going on there.
Right.
And since it's being built and people have confidence that they will complete the job, it's a little bit much more easier now than it was 2 years ago for us to raise the funds, you know.
Right. So, Soni sir, if you could tell us that, are people going to get tax deductible receipts? And apart from that, anyone who pays some donation, gives some donation, well, the question of donation is whether it's $1 or $100 or $1,000. It's the intent by which people pay. But anyways, if some people are paying in big amounts, do you recognize them?
Yes, we do. We do. Their names will be written on the wall
Okay.
when the temple is completed. And some people they are sponsoring the rooms also,
Right.
and we write it down there, sponsored by so and so and family.
Okay.
So it's a good recognition, and that it gives them kind of incentive to donate more and more. On the other hand, if anyone who gives us $1,000 and over in cash, we also recognize him as well. Yes,
Wonderful. Sir, it was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you and best wishes.
welcome.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸੋਨੀ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਟੈਂਪਲ ਬਰਨਵੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਨਵਾਂ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਜੋ ਉਸਾਰਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਦੀ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 65% ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ। ਪਿਛਲੇ 40 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਭਰਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੀਜੀਅਸ ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ ਐਜ਼ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੀਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਬਾਦੀ ਵਧ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹ ਨਵਾਂ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਮਰੀਨ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਤੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਾਨ ਜੇਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦਾਨ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।